go, guys. So I'm gonna be out district for a little bit. I gotta go take care of a few things, and then I'll be back. Hopefully, I can. I'm gonna be off the whole. Well, technically, I'm gonna be off the whole week with my what I go to on things. So tomorrow will be the whole day. So tomorrow and Tuesday will be the whole day, and everything with rail fanning. And but Wednesday, I'm working day shift on my job because it's a blackout day for where I work, and it's Thanksgiving Eve, so I won't be able to rail fan on Thanksgiving. So kind of a little sad this year, but I'm taking some responsibilities, you know. But Thursday, Thanksgiving, I'll try to get out here before I go to my Nana's house, but I'll probably make a short Thanksgiving train, maybe a short train or something. We'll probably end it like about like around 10ish, so I'll probably get out here around 6 and see if there's any. Hopefully there's some good trains coming, like on Thanksgiving, like southbounds or northbounds or something. I don't know. And then Friday I'll still come out here, but I gotta leave at around 3 because I got shift around 4. So it's all mountain time, guys. So if you want to follow mountain time, it's gonna be Colorado, Denver. So that's what. But we'll see on what inspires on trains. Hopefully tomorrow and the rest of today after 10ish. I gotta deal with some personal things, but after that, we'll get out here, rail fan more, and see what we can inspire. Hopefully, some 25 anniversaries kind of pick off, hopefully. But I'm not holding my breath on it. So here comes the DPUs, guys. 9081, EMD SD70ACe, 9224, SD70ACe. All right. Well, you know, everything else is going on with holidays, you know, something. But, I'll let you know when I do get, you know, like, more in the holiday spirit or something. So, I'll let you guys know. I'll hope you guys enjoy. If you do, smack the like button. We'll see you guys later.